Everybody, thank you for watching Weekend Garage. So, I'd like to give a big shout out to my buddies at Motorheads Inc. You know, we just had some drag races at Famosa drag strip near where I live, and I went to go see them and I got hooked up. Check out this shirt. Pretty cool, huh? So Motorheads, they've been a great sponsor of the channel here. So let's go take a look at that footage from when I caught up with them at the Famosa drag races. Everybody, I'm out here at Famosa drag strip, and I'm here at the Motorheads booth. Yeah, we got Simon here, one of the owners of Motorheads Inc. We got Dee Dee as well. Gentlemen, yeah, let's take a look around and see what they got. A lot of cool shirts going on here. A lot of new merch. I'm gonna do a walk around here so you guys can take a look at everything, and then we'll go inside and see what else is going on. Looks like they got some pretty cool hats going on here. Very nice, very nice. And Dee Dee, what's been going on with the Motorheads? I hear you guys.
You know what? We got a couple of cars that we're sponsoring now. Actually, we're starting to try to get more into the racing part of it, getting our name out there. But yeah, so we're doing that. We've got a couple of new designs. You want to check them out?
Yeah, let's take a look at it.
This is one of our new designs.
Nice.
This one here. We got
very cool.
Come on over here. We got this one here. Is a new design.
Sweet. I like that nostalgic look.
Yeah, we got this one here. It's a new design, and we
nice.
have the girls' version that's with a pink mohawk. That's over here.
Oh, for the ladies, you got some for the ladies too.
Yeah, it's a nice woman's cut shirt.
Very nice, very nice.
And yeah, and then we of course we have the older styles that we have, our original.
Nice. I'm digging the Bakersfield Motorheads one too. That's pretty cool. That old school looking.
Old school, yeah. That one's actually, this is a girl's shirt. This is a girl's cut shirt, but we do also have this one in the men's. And yeah, but yeah, like I said, we're trying to get more into the racing part of it. You know, got a couple of cars out there putting our stickers on. We'll help them out, you know, whenever we can. Actually, we got a guy just now that drives a Top Fuel. That he's got our logo on his car now. He's helping us out. So it's good stuff, man. You know,
nice
good stuff, yeah.
So where can we find some Motorheads merchandise?
Right now, we're only doing it at shows. You know, out of Famosa. We'll try to do so. We're thinking about maybe going out to the boat drags and setting up a booth there. But as of right now, our website is not. It's not up to date. It'll be motorheadsinc.com, and like I said, there's nothing on there to buy yet, but we're working on it.
Thanks for the update, Dee Dee. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
And check this out. We got a first gen Monte Carlo. Looks like we got a 71 here. Pretty interesting. Check out the molding on the side. Pretty nice. Looks clean. Let's look inside. It's pretty nice. Looks good. Nice and cozy in there. Very cool. Got some pinstripes on it. Got the bumper guards on the back. Nice. Pretty clean. Just another angle on the front here. Let's take a look under the hood. Looks pretty clean. Looks custom. Guards look pretty good. Got a nice look at the front. Look what we got here. We got a Javelin. Looks good. Pretty clean. Let me get back here. Very nice. Always love me some AMC. Looks good. Looks like it's got the Edelbrock fuel injection in there. Sweet. Love it. Let's see what else we can find. Check out this GTX. I mean, sucker's clean. Looks real good. Nice. Check this one out. I couldn't let this one pass up. Looks pretty amazing. Look at that. Clean. Check out under the hood here. Very nice. Very nice. Clean. Check out this Chevelle SS. Pretty awesome. Man, that's clean. Nice looking 396 in there. Looks good. All right, I picked up these rear bumper braces. I didn't even realize that I needed these, but I did see them in the factory assembly manual. So I brought these over to my good friend Ray's place. And Ray's gonna hook me up again. And he's so kind to allow me to use his media blaster. So let's get it fired up. All right, here's a finished product. Everything looks really good. And guess what? I've got the factory part numbers for these rear bumper braces. So just want to show you guys this. Everything came out really well. And again, I want to thank my good friend Ray here. Let me pan the camera there. Ray, to say hi, Ray.
All right.
Yeah, Ray's a good guy here. He's been a great friend. Thanks again, my friend.
Yep, you're welcome.
All right, we're shooting some powder on these.
You want to try to get it covered really good. Sometimes what I'll do is, what I'll do is I'll shoot the powder on it. I'll let it, I'll cook it. I'll just start cooking it till it melts a little bit, and then I'll put a second coat on it.
Got it.
But that's for like bigger items. I usually like something like this. I don't worry about it. It's not that big a deal.
I thought it'd be a lot more pressure. It's just like a little...
No, just a little bit of pressure. If it's too much pressure, it'll just blow it off.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
It'll just blow the powder right off.
Makes sense. What a trip. There you go, folks. Now you see how powder coating is done. Just gonna put these in here to cook.
What you cooking? Pizza.
We're cooking some bumper support braces.
All right.
All right. Set it and forget it.
That's it.
All right, look at this.
Simon is a talker.
Look at this, guys. We're all done here. Let's look at this. Oh man, look at that. That looks amazing. Wow. So how long did you set it for to cook?
15 minutes.
15 minutes?
After it starts melting, I put it in for 15 minutes. Let it.
At how many degrees?
375. 350 to 375.
375.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Looks awesome. It's good to have friends. Thank you, Dee Dee. Appreciate it.
Oh, absolutely. Anytime, brother. Anytime.
One thing I wanted to share with you guys is my last video, I had mentioned that I had picked up some new seat belts. So I want to show those to you guys. What I ended up doing is I picked up some, these are basically refurbished factory original seat belts. And I want to show them to you guys. Now, from my understanding, the factory offered a deluxe type seat belt. So that's what these are. And these have the GM logo and everything on them. So obviously I'm just going to show you this one. But they look brand spanking new. So I ended up picking these up from ground up. So just to let you guys know where I got them from. They have the actual standard factory original seat belts as well, the refurbished ones. Again, they look brand new if you look at these. So this pretty much came with everything. Came with the lap belts and everything, so everything looks good. It also includes the shoulder belt that basically fastens up on the headliner up here, then it pulls down and clicks in here. So basically everything's included in this kit that I picked up. I don't have, there's no part numbers or anything like that on the box, but I just wanted to show that to you guys. So one thing that I had to pick up extra basically is for the lap belt on the side here where it bolts into the driveline tunnel. These are little covers, black covers that go over that bolt to cover it up. Since obviously I did not have any of the original factory seat belts, so let me show you guys the part number for that. All right, now this is something that I've been waiting for a couple of years. I ended up picking up a new old stock center console a couple of years ago. And I've just had it sitting in storage and I haven't even opened it up yet. I don't even know what it looks like. I just know that it's new old stock. So I'm really looking forward to getting this box open here, and we're going to look at it together. All right, let's see what we got. Nice. I'm glad to see that it's packed up really, really good. You know, there's a couple of things that I've picked up over the years that, you know, they're not packaged right, and you know, things get scuffs on them or whatever. But I'm really glad to see that. Boy, this thing is really packed up really nice. Oh man. This thing looks amazing. I heard some screws fall. Hopefully I can find those. Make sure nothing comes off here. Wow. I'll tilt it up and show it to you guys. But here we go. Man, check this out. New old stock right here. General Motors. Wow. This thing looks amazing. Man, I wish the lighting was a little better so you guys can see this. But just wanted to show you guys this, so I'm going to work on getting this installed as well. All right, so we can see that everything's looking pretty good in the car right now. Got the passenger side door panel put in. Everything looks really good there. So everything's all fitted in. I just need to basically work on getting the stereo stuff put in down here. I got to figure out what I'm gonna do with the wiring there, and I got to figure out what I'm doing as far as how I'm gonna wire everything up. And I also, obviously, I got some new bolts here that you can see for the seat belts, but everything is pretty much ready to go here, so I'm going to get to working on that. Basically what I'm going to do with the amplifier for the stereo is I'm going to mount it on a piece of wood. I did show on an older video, I don't even remember which one, but I did pick up this finished wood. It's just thin, I can't remember the thickness of it, but it's a nice piece of finished wood. And basically this is going to go under the driver's seat, and this is just a piece that I have extra, but I already painted it. I painted it black basically just to match the carpet, but I'm going to basically put this under the driver's seat. I'm going to bolt the amp onto this, and the wiring and everything for the power wire, the ground wire, and everything basically is all going to be made out on this board here. So everything will be under the driver's seat. So just kind of wanted to show you guys, that's my idea, and I'm going to get to work on that. Okay, so basically there's the board that I'm going to be mounting everything to. And this is going to basically just be able to, I don't know, once the seats are in, if it's going to be able to slide out, but this is just going to sit there basically under the seat. I'm not going to screw it down or anything like that, but you can pretty much see the studs where the seat tracks go on. And I measured everything and stuff, so it should be good in theory. You know, when I get my seats back, I may potentially have to do some modifications, but at least I need to get all this wired up. And then if I do run into any issues, I'll address them as they come. So for my amplifier, I went with a JL Audio RD404. So basically, this is a 400 watt amp. It's 100 watts per channel. So this is the amp that I'm going to be installing. So just wanted to show you guys this, and I'm pretty sure I might have showed it in some video way back when, but I'm gonna get to working on this. All right, so I got the wiring done for the amplifier that's gonna power basically my 6x9s in the back, and also my 6.5 inch speakers that are on the kick panel area over there. So I still need to get my subwoofer wired up. I've got the main power wire that's coming from the battery. Now this power wire now is splitting off. It's going to power the amplifier here, and then I have a powered subwoofer that I'm going to be installing shortly, and that's why I have basically this splitter here to split that, and then that's going under the carpet there. And I haven't ran it to the other side yet, but it's going to run to the other side. Same with the ground wire. I've got that ground wire grounded to the body. Got a good ground for that. And again, I'm splitting the ground, and then this cable is basically going to go to the powered subwoofer, which is going to reside under the passenger seat. I also just mocked up the seat brackets for you all to see, just so you guys can see the clearance here. For the amplifier, it looks like I'm good to go. There's nothing that's going to be in the way regarding the seat is concerned here on the driver's side. I did get the wires all zip tied and cleaned them up as best that I could. Now, I did leave a lot of slack in there because my goal is, if I need to slide this out to make some adjustments on the amplifier itself, you know, under the plate here basically there's some adjustments you can make to fine tune everything. I want to be able to have access to that. So that's kind of the whole purpose for this, putting it on the board so I can just slide it out. So let's take a look at the passenger side. All right, so for the passenger side, the subwoofer was pretty straightforward as far as connections, just the low level output out of the head unit itself, and then the power wire coming off of the main amplifier along with the ground wire. So everything's pretty straightforward. It came together real easy. The only thing is, if I lower it down here, the subwoofer actually sticks up higher in the back there than the brackets for the seat. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to modify that once I get these brackets installed on the seat. And hopefully it's not gonna be anything too major. Hopefully just something simple and straightforward, but we'll have to see.